The most basic exercise is an isometric contraction of the quadriceps, otherwise known as a quadriceps set. A seated, edge of the table, open chain knee extension. Once you can lift your leg without any lag of the knee, you can progress to a straight leg raise. Next, we have an upper extremity assisted body weight squat, progressing in depth per your tolerance. Here we have a 4-inch box step up with upper extremity assistance as needed. Notice I am stepping, leaning in, and standing directly up towards the ceiling. The progression is standing up on a higher step. This is a 6-inch step, similar to a staircase or a curb. A double leg press to tolerance with emphasis on full extension of the knee. With progression to a single leg press. Next, we have a body weight squat to the depth of your choice as tolerated. Progressed to a body weight squat with the heels elevated for added strengthening of the quadriceps. And finally, a single leg box squat.